I'm Director Furry. I've tasked our agents with a very special and meaningful mission to help a group of very talented children unleash their inner superheroes. These agents have come from far and wide and will have to overcome challenges and obstacles to fulfill this mission. Failure is not an option.
Yes! Okay, good.
Remember, I got my eyes on you.
But it wasn't gonna be that easy. Within the first 5 minutes, the INSEAD agents were knocked sideways by their first opponent, the rain. Not having rained for 6 weeks, it was as if Singapore was just waiting for this moment.
For this particular project, I think the focus is really about building the community, about having spaces for children to come together, to eat, to play, and to interact with one another. And I think that's the beauty of this particular project for this particular round.
Hi guys, we're here with Minhao today.
And Jenny.
And this is INSEAD's Got Talent.
Our first judge is the Brazilian sniper. He spent last year out of action, having accidentally shot himself through the ear with a spud gun. Our last judge is J Judge. Judge J has not only passed the bar, she's also spent time behind bars. You'll be hoping she doesn't come down on you hard. Next up, we have INSEAD's Best Screw.
We had a very good time.
Challenging? I think it's the word. We did it.
It was hot.
I loved it, but I'm extremely exhausted.
Incredible.
Demanding, yeah, but really fun. Exciting.
Exhausting.
But it was amazing. We finally delivered something and we're happy about it.
And I'd really like to thank all of you for making a difference for the children. What you take 3 days to build will be enjoyed by us for 3 months, 3 years, and many more years to come. So thank you very much for all the hard work. Thank you.